Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Paytm money to TradingView in 2026. Now, first of all, you need to open your web browser on your PC or on your laptop. So once you do this, you need to come here on tradingview.com. Over here on tradingview.com, first of all, you need to log in into it if you haven't already. So here, click on the option of products, then click on the option of super charts. So what this is going to do is it is going to open any of the default charts in front of you, just like so. Now when you are here on this particular page, simply click on the option of the trading panel in the bottom left hand corner. Now here you are going to see the second last option of Paytm money. So when you click on the option of Paytm money, simply click on the option of connect. So when you do this, it is going to redirect you here on this login page. So here you need to provide your registered mobile number and the email address which is available on Paytm money. Then you need to simply provide your password. You can also log in here with the help of your OTP. And if you have forgotten your password associated with your Paytm money account, you can anytime click on this forgot password option. Basically, you need to sign in here with the help of your Paytm money login credentials, and then you just have to authenticate TradingView. This way you will be able to easily connect your Paytm money account with TradingView. Now, if this video helped you out, make sure that you consider liking this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.